Hello, everyone. Welcome, dear friends, to our channel. In this video, let's talk to you about how you can stop random people from adding you in the Snapchat app. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel and also make sure to put your likes under this video and write your comments. So let's go, friends. You and I are going to get down to our topic. And first of all, please open the Snapchat app on your device. And then you'll need to top left click on your Bitmoji so that you can open your account. Now on the top right, tap on the gear so you can go to Settings. And next, please scroll through the menu a little bit. And then you'll need to find this section. Click on it. And here, friends, you'll need to go to the Friends or Contacts section. If you want more privacy, then I recommend you choose Friends Only. Next, go to the section, Who Can See Me in Recommended Friends. If you have this option enabled, please click on the button to disable this option so that your profile will not be seen by random people recommending you as a friend. That's how you'll be able to prevent random people from adding you to Snapchat. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give your likes, and also write your comments. See you, friends.